Hi everyone, welcome to YCloud. Many businesses face the same question when creating WhatsApp templates. Should this message be classified as utility, or will Meta categorize it as marketing? Many companies assume that any non-promotional message is utility, but Meta does not classify templates based on how businesses describe them. It looks at the actual purpose behind the message. In simple terms, utility messages support existing customer actions, such as order confirmations, payment updates, delivery notifications, appointment reminders, or account-related updates. However, if the main purpose is to drive purchases, increase engagement, or reactivate customers, the message may still be classified as marketing, even without obvious promotions. Example 1. Order confirmation. For example, your order has been successfully paid and will be shipped within 3 days. This type of message updates an existing transaction, so it is typically considered utility. Example 2. Payment reminders. If a customer has created an order but has not completed payment, a reminder to finish the payment is usually part of the existing transaction. However, adding promotional content like discounts may turn it into a marketing message. Example 3. Delivery updates. For example, your package has been shipped. Click to track your order. This helps customers track an existing purchase and is a typical utility use case. Example 4. Appointment reminders. Whether it is a medical appointment, class schedule, or service booking, reminders for an existing appointment are usually considered utility. Example 5. Account security notifications. Security alerts and account updates are directly related to user accounts and usually fall under utility categories. Example 6. Product updates. Many businesses assume new feature announcements are always utility. However, if the purpose is promoting a feature or encouraging users to adopt a product, especially with marketing intent, it may be classified as marketing. Example 7. Customer re-engagement. For example, it's been a while since you used our service. Check out our latest products. Although the audience is existing customers, the purpose is to drive re-engagement, so it is usually marketing. After reviewing these examples, businesses may find that choosing the right template category is not always simple. Especially for complex scenarios, selecting the right utility template and avoiding repeated reviews can be challenging. YCloud provides a rich utility template library, allowing businesses to choose suitable templates for scenarios such as order updates, payment reminders, delivery notifications, and appointment confirmations. All templates in the library are pre-approved by Meta. Without modifying the template content, businesses can use them immediately without submitting another review request. These utility templates are designed around specific business scenarios, helping reduce the risk of being reclassified as marketing during meta reviews and enabling more stable customer communication. Of course, a template library can help businesses choose suitable utility templates faster, but businesses still need to understand Meta's classification logic. To determine whether a message is utility, ask 3 questions. First, is the message related to an existing customer action? Second, does it provide necessary information instead of encouraging a purchase? Third, would customers still need this message without promotional content? If the answer is no, the template category may need to be reconsidered. Understanding WhatsApp template categories correctly can improve template approval rates and help businesses build more compliant and effective customer communication workflows. Follow YCloud for more WhatsApp business platform best practices.